How PR pros are using text replacement tools to save time. Streamline the pitching process and other workflows with smarter tools. Text replacement or text expansion allows you to create shortcuts for frequently used words or phrases. What are the top uses of text replacement in media relations? Pitch templates. Text replacement lets you insert full templates in seconds. Instead of starting emails from scratch, develop templates that include key details like reporter names, outlet information, story framing, and preferred interview times. Canned responses. Create shortcuts for answers to any follow-up questions or requests for more information and add them to emails as needed, rather than formulating wordy replies each time. Pitch list categorization. Tag each media contact with shortcuts like tech, health, and fashion, easily filtering your lists to target niche topics. Signature. Save time by manually adding your contact information, headshot, and social media links. Boilerplate backgrounders. Expand into full descriptions of your product, executives, awards, mission, and other standard details. Common phrases. Insert frequently used terminology and sentences that explain technical concepts simply and accurately. Accelerate pitching with smarter workflows. Adding this tool to your media relations tech stack helps increase touch points and free up capacity.